guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something you should know about how much do foundation piers cost. So keep on watching. Two typical approaches for securing sinking concrete foundation are piering and also slabjacking. In piers, below ground support lift the concrete and keep it in position. The deck's repair service staff is deployed to mount piers under the structure, raise it hydraulically back right into correct setting, and maintain it in place. This repair method places numerous factors at numerous points under the structure. Two standard types of problems are splitting as well as variation triggered by unstable soil condition, tree-root penetration, seismic tremblings, mistake contraction, or concrete deterioration from age, flooding, or wrong contact with too much dampness. Various other failings are uneven floorings as well as fractured floor tiles. The price of piers differs significantly. It depends on the kind of task, the size of the job, the design of the job. Pier rates depend upon the depth of where they are going to enter, what sort of pier that there is. Often there's a gas line in the way. Occasionally, there's electrical lines in the method. There are sprinkler lines. There are slopes. There is concrete. There's a lot of variables that simply truly play into the truth of a pier rate. There's a lot of points that individuals don't see. The surprise cost of piering. Pier and also beam structure can be effectively repaired to customer. Average price can vary and can cost as little as $1,500, while others can cost upward of $10,000. It's one thing to install steel seams to stabilize girder beams under a house, and quite another to install concrete piers all the way around a house. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.